All right, so we've got Cameron here, my lovely daughter, as my assistant, and we're gonna compare the Little Debbie Starcrunch against my Big Deborah Starcrunch. All right. So Cameron, here's the rules: you cannot open your eyes. You're able to smell them if you want to try it. Okay, like if you want to sniff it first, you can. But the one you have to tell me the one on the left versus the one on the right, like what you like about the first one. So let's try the one on the right. So reach out right there. There you go. That's the one on the right. Give it a try. Okay. What do you think?
Okay.
What's your thoughts on that one?
I think this one's the real Little Debbie because I know the smell. Actually, the middle's different.
Okay. So keep feeling around.
This one?
Okay. So now, let me know what you think of this one.
This one's stickier. And smells different. This one's better. But I think this one's the Little Debbie one.
Well, you can open your eyes because you're right. So this is the Big Deborah. This is the one that we just picked, we made from scratch today in the kitchen. And this is Little Debbie. All right, and that was Big Deborah. So we got a new recipe coming for you guys on the Scattered Chef. Stay tuned. We just recorded it today. It's going to be awesome. And I'll see you guys soon. So stay tuned.